Is it true that your husband, your papa, is an instigator?
He's always an instigator, a corporate manipulator that will just sit on the camera and be spilling facts. Imana, everything. So when somebody that has big nose and big mouth is talking, you think that they have number 6.
Define him. Simple.
Big nose, big head, big mouth, empty faculty.
Tell me, are you saying that he's not an intellectual man?
Intellect is not by the size of the head. Intellect is not by the size of the mouth. It's not by the shape of the nose.
Man, also normally able.
Why did he need my help?
Well, tell me, why are you fighting over a property that is not yours?
Chioke had this land because of me. Chioke is who he is today because of me.
Aisha, why do I feel you are lying to me?
I keep saying it. I'm not lying. I'm not capping.
Are you sure?
Chioke is who he is today because of me.
Manakanchukwa, is it true you cannot lift an island?
Not for grace. If to say hunchback now by waiting person the load way person they carry, I go get hunches backs.
Aisha.
Now me they carry them. I'm a very strong woman.
Make I ask you, what do you go use your 40% do?
I want to invest in something.
Invest in what?
I want to invest in something.
For hairs and clothes.
Ammonia.
Is it true you demanded for GLG?
How will I be demanding a GLK from somebody that has not even afforded to buy ordinary bone straight hair for me?
But Ultra, you go now. He has done a lot for you.
What is he doing for me? What has he done for me?
Easy, I go wine.
You're not saying I never shown my character.
Aisha, are you better than this?